Hi, I'm here today to talk about Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Wait a second, before you press stop, I'm not going to bore you to tears, I promise. That's not really what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about an intelligent technology hierarchy of needs. But like Maslow's hierarchy of needs, we start with technology, we have basic needs. So Maslow talked about having basic needs around food and shelter. If you didn't have food and shelter, you couldn't advance. You couldn't start thinking about emotional connections to others. You couldn't start thinking about self-actualization because you're too busy trying to find some food and trying to keep from getting rained on. Well, in the technology world, our basic needs are Wi-Fi, network connectivity, PCs running properly, applications running properly, cloud services, all that sort of thing. We want to make sure that we're not being hacked, we're not getting ransomware. We're not dealing with all that sort of nonsense. But the problem is too many businesses never really get beyond those basic technology needs. They get stuck there. They end up having endless conversations about how do we deal with that ransomware infection, or how do we deal with that Wi-Fi problem? Why won't the Wi-Fi work in the boardroom? Why won't this work? Why won't that work? And it's frustrating, and it limits business growth. What's really important in our intelligent technology hierarchy of needs, we say, hey, let's nail those basic needs. Let's put in place a proactive process around best practices, standards, review, and alignment, so we no longer need to talk about those basic needs. And then we can move to a different level of technology strategy. We can start talking about technology strategy, planning, and budgeting. We can start to forecast over the next 12 months. What are our costs? What are our priorities from a technology side of things? And then you continue moving up that hierarchy of needs, and you can get into talking about employee productivity. You can get into talking about boosting employee morale, reducing risk, really getting to talk about major business drivers, more strategic things about how to use technology. And then if you keep going down that road and you get a really strong technology planning process in place, you can get to a point in your business where technology is one of your competitive advantages. That's where we all want to be. We want to have this competitive advantage called technology that puts us apart from our competition. But remember, when you're thinking about this, if those basic needs are not satisfied, you can never move up that hierarchy. You can never get to that point. So I want to make sure that your basic needs are satisfied, and I want to show you how to get further and further up that hierarchy of needs so that technology is really serving your business well. Reach out to me, let's have a discussion. I'd be happy to show you how to do it.